At iXceed Solutions, we connect top talent with global opportunities. Today, hear from our candidate placed as Cabin Readiness Testing in a leading multinational company in Málaga, Spain. Let's begin. What aspects of our recruitment process did you find most helpful?
More helpful is actually how helpful I have felt through the process, how helpful was the team. That was really a support for every step and following up on every step. So this was the most helpful, the team, I would say, and how they supported through the process.
How would you describe your interactions with our team?
The interaction was astonishing, or very nice and very polite, extreme polite, extreme close feeling, even if it's only online. Everybody was extremely nice with me, and I felt really happy to join the team with such people.
What qualities of our team did you find most supportive?
Again, how supportive it was and how following up daily on what's the status and knowing that there is somebody there if some things maybe not go so correctly or what didn't happen, but you feel there's somebody there along the way. So this was great.
Would you recommend our services to other job seekers?
I would definitely recommend to other job seekers. You have been supportive to me, and also on the other side pushing a little bit that things go correctly. So I would definitely recommend, yes.